What's going on, YouTube? It's Guddang 775, just a mile boy in Texas, back with another video. Today, I got a dual unboxing of not one, but two gaming headsets that you can buy for $50. They're pretty good gaming headsets. They're pretty much two of the best in this price range, this $50 price range. Or, you know, best is a subjective word, okay? That's usually, yeah, opinions vary. But these two have highly regarded reputations. One of them is the HyperX Cloud Stinger. This is a classic. Now, I have unboxed and tested out the HyperX Cloud cores, and those by far are my favorite wired headsets for gaming. But this comes really close to it. Okay, that's what I've been hearing. And this is for $50. You can get it at pretty much at GameStop. I don't think they have this at Walmart, but GameStop, Amazon, whatnot. My little link will be down below if you folks do want to support the channel. And I'll be also unboxing the Corsair HS50, and this headset is $50 as well, retail now. I'm talking about retail. Now you can get them cheaper when they go on sale, okay? But if you're spending 50 bucks, these two headsets are usually at the top of the list, top 5 usually. Some people go for a little bit more budget oriented, some people go for a little bit more expensive, like the Razer Electra V2s or the SteelSeries Arctis 3 console edition versions, whatever. But basically I will be mainly using these for my Xbox, my Switch, my PS4, and my PC. And let's go ahead and do the dual unboxing, shall we? We're gonna test, I'm gonna compare the, what do you call that, build quality, and of course the sound quality. A more in-depth comparison video will be coming not this Tuesday but next Tuesday. Okay, I'm gonna do a gaming headset battle, you know, a free-for-all battle in my Versus series. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed, shall we? I'll start with a HyperX. Okay, so I picked this up from GameStop, and comes in a smaller box than its big brother, the HyperX Cloud cores, which that's sporting that same design. Okay, very similar design. Actually, the Hyper Cloud cores, they're actually nice. They're really nice fitting. But the sad thing is, I don't have that headset anymore. I did give those away to a relative of mine, so I'm kind of jonesing. I made a mistake. Yeah, I made a mistake because they really needed it. But hey, look, I got tons of headsets that I get to try out, and I figured, oh, there we go. That's the unboxing right there. And there's the paperwork you get. What is this? And that's the headset right there. Okay? Let's go ahead and get this out, shall we? I am going to carefully take this tape because I don't want to snap the microphone off. It's a fixed microphone that I'm pretty sure you can't remove. It's stuck on there. If I can get it out. Something's holding this thing down. Oh no, never mind. Okay, that's that. And it looks like the 3.5mm jack, the wire, is connected to the headset, and it looks like it's non-removable. Okay, I got a comment in one of my videos saying that their headsets were popping and really crackling, and almost 9 out of 10 times it's usually the 3.5mm jack, the wire. On the rare occasion, it could be your controller or your device that you're taking that you're connecting it to. But out of all the problems I've had with wired headphones, it's usually the wire. Okay, and this is non-replaceable. So if this wire gets bent, screwed, bit, you know, just a little, or you have pets like me, I got cats running all over the place. A little puncture will make these headsets sound crackling. Now, when you get excited and you're playing games, and these are connected to your Xbox controller or your Switch, you know how you get excited when you win. Be careful, do not jerk on this wire, because once this wire is done, your headset is done. For the most part, okay? I mean, most people just replace headsets after that, so let's go ahead and untwist these. I'm gonna test out the comfort. Yeah, if I can get it twisted. Oh, I might do a jump cut here, it depends. Don't mind the sound in the background. Those are my cats. That's my Blue Point Siamese. And I forgot the name of these gray and white cats. I forgot what they call them. Pain and trouble? Pain and trouble! No, seriously. They are pain and trouble. Yeah, I'm gonna do a jump cut. Okay, I finally got the thing unwrapped. So, I like that they swivel 90 degrees. Okay, that's always a plus in my book. Now, build quality, these are very plasticky. Okay. The band is metal, but I mean everything around it, it's plastic. The band is a very thin piece of aluminum. I think it's aluminum. I'm assuming it's aluminum. The headband, let's see how comfortable it is. Let's go ahead and adjust it, because I got a medium-sized head, so I'm just going to bring it down just a little. Oh, it's nice and comfortable. And the the ear cups are in an egg shape, so they surround your entire ear. Let's go ahead and test these out with my Xbox One. You can't see it right now. My TV is already on. Okay, let's go ahead and get some general sound. Of course, I've got Windows Sonic enabled. It automatically popped up. Now, if you got Dolby Atmos, I'm pretty sure you'll get some of it, but these are not Dolby Atmos certified. So I just use Windows Sonic. That's simulation of surround sound. And there is no inline controls here. So I'm assuming the headset controls are on the headset itself. Yes, there's volume. There's volume control on the headset right here. Let's go ahead and just, I don't know. Let's give a quick test. And dedicated. Now this is just first impression. I just want to hear the general sound, how it sounds when something's connected. Okay, so I've got it loaded up. Sound quality wise, it's not bad. Okay, now I can't really test it in like PUBG and stuff like that because this is an unboxing video. But first impressions, it sounds pretty good. Let's go quickly to my YouTube channel on YouTube on my Xbox. Okay, yeah, it sounds good. I mean, I'm listening to my own channel. Now, let's stop that. Let's unplug it. Let's try it with cell phone. LG G7. Let's see how that sounds. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing. First impressions with the Corsairs. Don't mind the meowing in the background. Those are my kitties. They like to fight, especially the new one I brought in. Okay. Little pain in the butt, that's what she is. Okay, let's see. I'm testing it out. So it's working. It's got some decent sound. The volume is on the right. The mids and highs, they're pretty good. Okay, the mids and highs are pretty nice. Got a nice sharp profile. Now the bass, it's okay. There's hardly any bass. Let's try a song. Let's try a song. Now people get these for, you know, basically game chat. So what I'm doing, I'm just testing out to see how it is. Pretty good first impressions. Now, I haven't tested the chat feature. I will be testing it. Like I said, give me, not this Tuesday, the following Tuesday, I'll have both of these tested. I'll be comparing these two together, along with a PDP AG6, which is in the same price range, the $50 price range. Okay, so look forward to that versus video. Not this Tuesday. I got another versus video, by the way, this Tuesday. That's the Bluetooth F2s versus the awesome ANC 8. So now let's go ahead and unbox the Corsair HS50. Okay, very similar presentation, okay, and a plastic, I'll show you. Okay, right away, I can tell you for a fact, looking at the Corsair HS50, the quality is better. But my cats are scurrying around. I'm going to do a little jump cut right here real quick. Okay, I'm back. I had to do a little jump cut. My cats are really getting into it. Driving me nuts sometimes. So basically, presentation is very much pretty similar to the HyperX Stingers. Now it comes with paperwork right there. But like I can tell you right off the bat, the build quality, it's better on these Corsair HS50 just by looking at it. Oops, there's zip ties there. And I ripped them off. Wow. Quality is pretty solid. Look at the two. Okay. I like the ear cups. They're much bigger, so this is going to give you a better seal, better sound quality. I'm assuming now. Usually when you get a good seal, you get better sound quality. That's pretty common. That's pretty much common sense. I'm gonna leave the plastic on for now. I can't get them off. I don't want to take them. You know what? Take them off. Now, when it comes to build quality, yeah, this is more solid. Got a more solid feel. It's not as plasticky. I like the look. It's just black. This one's black and red, but some people don't like red for some reason. I don't care because it's a gaming headset. But it's got a more neutral look to it, and this has better build quality just by touching it. So now I'm going to go ahead and put these on my head. So right, left. Let's go ahead and try these out. Oh, yeah, these fit real good. I mean, your whole ear literally fits inside the cup. Okay, like none of the cushion is touching my ear. My ear is totally inside that cup. Now, that's because I have like smaller ears, I guess. Now, if you got big ears, of course, you're gonna feel it. Now, I can't tell how pressure point is gonna be. If there's gonna be build up any pressure points, but as of right now, it feels good. And the squeeze on your head on both of these are very light. Okay, very light. I mean, maybe very, very light medium at the most, but depending on how big your head is. But the pressure on your ears and on your head, it's very minimal. So I could foresee you folks wearing this for hours on end. Now, I like the cable already too on the Corsair HS50s. They're a little bit more durable. They feel more, well, actually, never mind. They're the same. They're the same. They're the same. You know what makes it feel more durable? This has Velcro. It had Velcro strapped to it. I got confused. So let's go ahead again. Test. Let's go ahead and try it out with my Xbox. My Xbox is on. It's right there. So let's go ahead and one of my games, Shadow. I want to pick something that doesn't take too long to load. Might as well Shadow. I can't really test it out in a multiplayer game right now, but I will have results. Not this Tuesday, the following Tuesday from now. Of course. Now you got volume buttons on here. Got a slider of sorts right here. I don't know what this is. Testing out, checking the audio. Oh, you can Yeah, volume control is on the left ear cup. Also, there's a mute mic right here. You can mute the mic right here by pressing it. I don't know if there was a mute mic button on this HyperX Cloud. I don't think so. I didn't see one. I'm assuming if you lift the headset up like this, it's muted now, and if you put it down, you'll be able to use it. Now that's I'm assuming. Now I can't really go into detail because I have no idea. I'll look at the instructions. I'll leave a little thing right here to see how you mute this thing. But as of right now, oh, it's loaded up. Oh, sounds nice. I'm right at the beginning screen of Shadow of the Tomb Raider. So let's go ahead. It's at full volume. Now, volume for both of these are very similar. They're not going to get very loud. Okay, especially when you're using game. Well, you can kind of adjust it on your Xbox. You can make it like all game sound or a balance between game and voice. Right now, I got it all the way up on game sound because I'm not chatting with anyone. So it sounds good, okay? Nice. This sounds more flat, the sound, but it's more full. I don't know if that makes sense. More fuller than the HyperX. The HyperX are really sharp. Not really sharp, it has a sharper profile. Let's see. Continue. Do a little jump cut right here till I get into game. Okay, I'm back from the jump cut. My game's loaded in. I am right now in the hidden village in Shadow of the Tomb Raider. Now I can hear everything going on. Voices coming from the behind me, in front of me, little, birds chirping. Basically the jungle. And it sounds good. It sounds good. Okay. That sounds great. Now let's test it out with something else. I'll try the Switch this time. So I got my Switch, and Kirby is in the game, okay? Don't judge me. That's my daughter's favorite game, Kirby. She loves Kirby. Let's go. Continue. Oh my gosh, she just stopped it right in a oh, it's not a boss battle. He said Kirby. And it sounds good. Let's take the volume up. Wow, it does sound good. Now, I have no idea how multiplayer is gonna fare with Kirby because I'm probably not gonna play multiplayer too much on the Switch, if at all, because I don't really care for multiplayer on the Switch. Not too many people that I know multiplayer on the Switch. I mean, there's some people, and the way they got it going on is a garbage way of going on. You can hook it up to your phone and stuff. It's really retarded. But I guess if you're just playing a single player game like Zelda Breath of the Wild and whatnot, and you got these plugged in, they sound really good. Okay. So that was my dual unboxing and first impressions of the Corsair HS50s and the HyperX Cloud Stingers. Okay. Both have very good sound. There's a distinct difference between one and the other. This one's a little more flat sounding. This is a little more sharp sounding. That's as basic as I can get. Okay, and I'm not really good at explaining things like that. I can just tell you what it sounds like, and they both sound good. Volume is very similar. Now I'm gonna do more in-depth testing, and again, I will have a versus battle between the HyperX Cloud Stingers, the Corsair HS50s, and the PDP AG6, or this headset. This was $50 as well, so it's gonna be a three-way battle. Not this Tuesday, next Tuesday. This Tuesday is a battle between the Bluetooth F2s and the awesome AN8 active noise canceling headphones 8. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, it's Guddang 775, just a my boy in Texas. I hope you folks like this video. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button, let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. It's Guddang 775. Thanks for watching. Peace out.